What's up with y'all? Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. If y'all don't know, my name is Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be making like a cartoon style t-shirt graphic. So let's get into it. Come on. So what I do is I go in my sketchbook and I kind of sketch out like a rough concept of what I want. I'm like working on drawing flames. This right here is like the final design I came up with, but I try to test out some flames and different designs. So what I did is I took the sketchbook page, I took a picture, and then I just dropped it into Illustrator, and then I just traced it. If y'all want a more in-depth tutorial how to get your sketches into Illustrator, let me know. I can do that. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, so I'm just going in, adding some stars and the details just for right now. So then what I do, this is how I color stuff in Illustrator. I just get, of course I connect all the points, and I just get like a big square of some color. I send it to the back, and then I use the shape builder tool just to separate the actual color and the line work and get rid of the extra shapes or negative space if you want to be technical with it. But yeah, I was using the shape builder tool, building shapes, and I just go in and then select the right colors of the stuff that I want it to be. So yeah, if y'all couldn't tell already, this design was heavily inspired by Cactus Plant Flea Market. That whole design with Kid Cudi. I kind of like it, so kind of try to recreate it. I'll pop up an example if you don't know what it looks like. But yeah, that's what the inspiration is for this kind of design. And what I'm doing right now is I'm adding extra lines around the artwork, just to add to the cartoony effect just a little bit, and then I'll change the size of the stroke. So now I'm just readjusting everything just to make sure everything look right for the time being. So what I do is I make a copy of the line work and I bring it to a separate layer on the top, so then I can go in and make shadows and highlights. Now, if y'all know a better way to do shadows and highlights than the way I'm doing right now, let me know. You know what I'm saying? So because what I'm doing right now is I'm drawing the highlights and the shadows in between the line layer and the actual artwork. Let me know how y'all think it looks so far. I'm not the best, you know what I'm saying, illustrator, but I can do, you know what I'm saying, a couple little doodles and bring the life in the Illustrator. So let me know what y'all think about this so far. So then here, I'm going in, I'm adding all the highlights that I can, you know what I'm saying? And it looks very sloppy right now. Trust me, I'm gonna clean it up later on in the video. Just trust the process, believe me, you just gotta trust it. And actually, I made this design a while back for one of my TikTok videos. If y'all want to follow me on TikTok, link is in the description. But I made this design for TikTok, short form content, and I decided why not turn it into a full-length YouTube video, so y'all can see the more in-depth like process of it. So what I do is I go and I expand everything. I get the shape builder tool and I just like get rid of all like the sloppy parts that's outside of the line work, just to make it look a little more put together. So I thought of the name for the design, World of War. I don't know specifically why I chose this name. Maybe just because the world is on fire or something. I couldn't even tell you, but yeah. So I got this cool like Arabic looking font. It kind of resembles like the Arabic writing, and I just changed the color to like this red, and I wanted to put an arc over it so it can like contour over the planet. So now we bring the design into Photoshop, and I put a pointillized effect over it just to kind of make it look more cartoonish and hand-drawn looking, if you can see. And really, now that I'm looking at it with the effect on there, I actually kind of like the way the design looks. I wasn't really feeling it at first, but I like it now. So what I do is I just put my brand name on it. I really don't think I'm gonna drop this, but this might just be just for the video, but I don't really think I'm gonna actually get this printed. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. I might do it. And that's pretty much the design. This is the final product. I put it on the mock-up. But let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Ask me anything in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Commissions are open. Let me know if it wants to work. I got this clothing drop coming soon, so y'all stay tuned and we out.